Dear love, Nay, dito na tayo sa araw na hinihintay natin. Ito na yon. Wala naman akong hinihiling pa kay Lord kasi ito na yon. Wala akong ipapangako pero tutupadin ko ang mga gusto mo. Tutupadin natin ang mga pangarap nating dalawa na magkasama. Bubuo tayo ng pamilya na magkasama. Pinapangako ko na gagawin ko lahat para maging masaya ka lang. Maging masaya tayong dalawa. Magiging mabuting asawa ako sa iyo. Hindi ako magbibigay ng sakit ng ulo. Naalala ko nung araw na unang pagkikita natin. Kinilig ako nun kasi ikaw pa yung unang nag-effort puntahan ako. Rizal, Bulacan. Isipin mo ang layo nun. Doon pa lang panalo na ako eh. Doon ko din naramdaman yung araw na yon na ikaw na yung pinapanalangin ko kay Lord. Napakaswerte ko yung araw na yon. Paghatid mo sa akin sa bahay, pinakilala kaagad kita kay nanay. Sa araw-araw nagigising ako ngayon, napakaswerte ko na meron akong ikaw na laging sasandalan sa hamon ng buhay. Sabay nating haharapin ang mga pagsubok. Hindi ako mapapagod at magsasawa kahit lagi mo akong inuutusan. Lagi kong ipaparamdam sa iyo ang pagmamahal na hinahanap mo. Wala na akong ihilingin kung hindi magkasama tayo hanggang sa pagtanda. Mahal na mahal kita. Minsan lang ako mag-i-English. I choose you and I'll choose you over and over without pause. Without a doubt in heartbeat, I'll keep choosing you. I love you. Mahal na mahal kita.
To my love, Tay, may habang buhay. Akalain mo yon pagkatapos ng late night kwentuhan, tawanan, road trips, silly fights kung saan at ano ang kakainin, and quiet moments where just being beside you was enough. We are finally here, standing at the edge of forever. 4 years ago, I never could have imagined how much my life would change when you came into it. You have been my constant, my confidant, my joy when life feels heavy, and my steady rock when I feel like crumbling. You are the laughter that fills my day, the calm in my storms, and the unexpected adventure I didn't know I was searching for. My time sa buhay ko na I thought I will never feel protected and loved again. After losing Daddy and Janelle, I felt that the ground beneath me had vanished. The love I thought was unshakable had been taken away. And for a long time, I wondered if my heart could ever feel safe or whole again. I wondered if anyone could stay by me through the darkness and not run away. Pero dumating ka. Hindi mo sinubukang palitan yung nawalang pagmamahal. You didn't pretend to fix everything or erase my pain. Instead, binigyan mo ako ng bago. A different kind of protector, one who holds my hand when I'm scared, wipes away my tears when I can't hold them back, makes me laugh when I want to cry, and makes me feel safe just by being near. You are my steady heartbeat that reminds me I am never alone. Araw-araw nagpapasalamat ako sa Diyos na binigay ka niya sa akin. You are the answer to the prayers I didn't even know I was praying. You are the gift I never saw coming and a living reminder that even after the darkest storm, He still writes beautiful love stories. Our story is proof of His grace and faithfulness. With you, I have learned what it means to be truly seen and loved. Tinuruan mo ako kung paano magbigay ng patience, kindness, joy, even when life is not perfect. I love how you show up not just for the good times, but especially for the hard ones. You are my champion in every sense of the word. I promise you this. Hindi ako magsasawang manood ng basketball games mo. Susuporta sa'yo sa court at sa labas nito. Ipaglalaban ko ang bawat adventure kasama ka, spontaneous man o simpleng motor ride papunta sa paborito nating sisigan. Every journey with you is my favorite kind of journey. dahil kasama kita. I want to build a life with you that's full of laughter, love, and even those silly moments that make us look at each other and smile. Tulad ng mga away natin sa simpleng bagay, tapos tatawanan na lang natin at yayakapang mahigpit. I vow to be your habang buhay, not just in words, not just as a promise, but in every action, every moment, and every breath. I vow to hold your hand in the quiet mornings, to dance with you in the loud evenings, and to cherish every little thing that makes us who we are together. Ty, thank you. Thank you for loving me the way you do, for being my safe place, my laughter, my partner, my protector, and now my husband. You are my home, my heart, and the greatest adventure of my life. I can't wait to walk this new life with you, hand in hand, growing stronger in love every day, through every high and low, every joy and challenges. I promise to be always here for you, as your wife, your best friend, and your habang buhay. I love you now and forever. Forever yours, Raf.
Who loves me like you do when I close my eyes.